Today, solution of class test 3 of mensuration. First question. Curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder are 616 cm square and 924 cm square respectively. Find its volume. Here given curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 616 cm square curved surface area, and its volume, how much, when total surface area it is given 924 cm square. Curved surface area 616 cm square, total surface area 924 cm square. Volume of this cylinder how much? So we have curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Putting value we get 2 pi RH is equal to curved surface area 616, equation 1. Also, total surface area of cylinder, so 2 pi r into r plus h. Putting value 2 pi r into r plus h is equal to total surface area 924. It is equation 2. Now, we divide equation 2 by equation 1. So LHS by LHS, then RHS by RHS. LHS 2 pi r plus h by 2 pi RH is equal to RHS 924 by 616. It becomes r plus h by h, r plus h by h, 2 pi r cancel. So r plus h by h is equal to, its value becomes 3 by 2. Multiplying cross multiplication takes place. So 2 into r plus 2 into h, 2r plus 2h is equal to 3h, is equal to 3h. Take 2h to right side. So 2r is equal to 3h minus 2h, and 2r is equal to h. So putting value of h in equation 1, h, value of h in equation 1 as to r. So from 1 we have 2 pi r h, h for 2r, h for 2r is equal to 616 from equation 1. 2 2 are 4, pi 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 616. So r square is equal to 616 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. It becomes 49. The r square is equal to 49. The r is equal to square root of 49. R is equal to plus 7. Taking positive sign only. केवल positive sign ले रहे हैं. R is equal to 7. Hence, putting r is equal to 7 here, h is equal to 2 into r. H is equal to 2 into 7, yani 14 centimeter. R is equal to 7 centimeter, h is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, volume of cylinder, so pi r square h, pi 22 by 7 into r, 7 into r square, so 7 into 7 into h, 14 centimeter cube, volume centimeter cube. It becomes 7 cancel, it becomes 2156 centimeter cube. Now question number 2. Curved surface area and volume of a cylinder are 308 meter square and 1078 meter cube respectively. Find its total surface area. So here given in question number 2, given curved surface area of cylinder 308 meter square and volume of cylinder it is given 1078 meter cube. To find its total surface area of cylinder how much? So we have curved surface area of cylinder, so 2 pi RH. Putting value we get 2 pi RH is equal to 308. It becomes equation 1. Also, volume of cylinder pi r square h. Putting value we get pi r square h is equal to volume of cylinder 1078 given. It is equation 2. Now equation 2 divided by equation 1 we get 2 divided by 1 we get LHS pi r square h divided by 2 pi RH is equal to RHS 1078 divided by 308 LHS में LHS से, RHS में RHS से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. Pi cancel, R square cancel, H cancel here. R by 2 is equal to, its value becomes 7 by 2. 2R is equal to 14. R is equal to 7 meter. From 1, putting value of R is equal to 7 in 1. 2 pi RH, putting value of R is equal to 7 in 1. 2 pi 22 by 7, R7 into H is equal to 308 from 1. The H is equal to 7, 7 cancel. The H is equal to 308 divided by 2 into 22. And the H is equal to 7 meter. Therefore, total surface area of cylinder. The 2 pi R into R plus H, putting value 2 into pi 22 by 7 into R7 into R plus H, 7 plus 7 meter square. 7, 7 cancelled. 44 into 14 meter square, 616 meter square. Now question number 3. Earth is dug out from a well 10 meter deep and 7 meter in diameter. Earth is spread around the well to form an embankment 2.5 meter width. Find height of embankment. Here given diameter of a well, it is 7 meter, and depth of a well 10 meter. Diameter 7 meter, therefore radius 3.5 meter. Depth of a well 10 meter. And embankment whose width is 2.5 meter. Here for embankment which is in the shape of a ring, inner radius, that is the radius of a well, inner radius of embankment R1 3.5 meter. Therefore outer radius of embankment, outer radius R2 is equal to inner radius plus width. Inner radius 3.5 plus width 2.5 and 6 meter. R1 is equal to 3.5 meter, R2 is equal to 6 meter for embankment, for ring. Height of embankment H is equal to how much? So now, volume of earth dug out from well. Volume of earth dug out from well. From well, that is equal to volume pi R square S. Pi 22 by 7, R 3.5, the 3.5 into 3.5 into H of well 10 meter cube. Now volume of embankment which is in the shape of ring. Volume of embankment due to this earth, the pi R2 square minus R1 square into H, H for height of embankment. How high embankment rise. The pi 22 by 7, R2 6 square, 6 into 6 minus R1 3.5, the 3.5 square 12.25 into H meter cube. And इसी मिट्टी को इस रूप में लाया है. During change in shape, volume remains unchanged. According to question, this volume is equal to this volume. 22 by 7 into 36 minus 12.25 and 23.75 into H is equal to pi 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5, 12.25 into 10. Pi cancel, and 22 by 7 cancel. The H is equal to 12.25 into 10 divided by 23.75. 98 by 19 meter and 5.16 meter. Hence, height of embankment raised by 5.16 meter. Thank you.